Are you dreaming of starting your own YouTube channel but feel overwhelmed by the cost of setting up a studio? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll walk you through 6 budget-friendly essentials that will transform your home into a professional YouTube studio without breaking the bank. These are perfect for beginners or creators looking to upgrade on a budget. Let's dive right in. Number 1, a quality yet affordable camera. The first thing you need is, of course, a camera. But don't worry about spending thousands on high-end gear. For budget-conscious creators, consider cameras like the Sony ZV-1 or the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Both models offer great video quality, built-in stabilization, and excellent autofocus, all at an affordable price. If you're really tight on budget, even your smartphone camera can do wonders. Just make sure it supports at least 1080p resolution for professional-looking videos. If you want to buy a budget-friendly camera, check out the link in the description below. Number 2, affordable lighting setup. Lighting can make or break the quality of your videos. For a budget-friendly setup, consider getting a pair of softbox lights or an LED ring light. These options are widely available online and can cost as little as $50 to $100. If you want to save even more, try DIY lighting using regular desk lamps with daylight balance bulbs. Position them at an angle to avoid harsh shadows. Remember, great lighting can elevate even a basic camera setup. If you want to buy a budget-friendly lighting setup, check out the link in the description below. Number 3, a sturdy tripod or mount. A shaky video can distract your audience, so a sturdy tripod is a must-have. The good news? You don't need a super expensive one. Brands like Amazon Basics or Neewer offer reliable tripods under $30. For those using smartphones, a flexible phone mount or Gorilla tripod works perfectly. Make sure your tripod is adjustable and stable enough to hold your camera or phone securely. If you want to buy a budget-friendly tripod, check out the link in the description below. Number 4, crisp audio with a budget microphone. Audio quality is even more important than video. If your viewers can't hear you clearly, they'll click away fast. A budget-friendly option is the Rode Video Micro or the Boya by M1 lavalier microphone, both priced under $50. For smartphone users, a clip-on mic works wonders. And if you're working in a quiet room, USB microphones like the Fifine K669 provide excellent sound quality without costing a fortune. If you want to buy a budget-friendly microphone, check out the link in the description below. Number 5, background and ambience. A great background adds personality to your videos. You don't need expensive backdrops. Try affordable options like a solid color curtain, a roll of paper, or even a clean, organized wall. Add some inexpensive decor like fairy lights, posters, or plants to create a cozy vibe. If you want to go digital, invest in a green screen for around $20 to $30, which allows you to create custom backgrounds during editing. If you want to buy a budget-friendly background setup, check out the link in the description below. Number 6, essential editing software. Finally, let's talk about editing. You don't need to spend hundreds on software to create polished videos. DaVinci Resolve and HitFilm Express are free and packed with professional features. For simple edits, tools like iMovie for Mac users or CapCut for smartphones work perfectly. These programs let you cut, color grade, and add effects to make your videos stand out. Pair them with a bit of creativity, and your content will look like it was made in a pro studio. And there you have it, 6 budget-friendly essentials to kickstart your YouTube journey in 2024. Whether you're vlogging, teaching, or creating entertainment content, these tools will help you deliver professional quality videos without spending a fortune. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments which studio essential you'll be adding to your setup.